Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to hide objects from video in CapCut. So if you use a CapCut as your a video editor and on your mobile phone, you can hide the objects from your video. It's very easy. Just tap on your projects. This is, for example, I took the video from library. Here you can tap on your video and make duplicate, this one duplicate feature, and tap on the first video overlay. So the second video you can tap on the overlay and try to use mask. This is the mask feature. You can use a rectangle for this. So I want to hide this frame, the top two frame here. So I need to use this mask on the blank space first. You have to adjust the size here and tap this check button, and the mask is done, and try to cover this and readjust the size. So it is done. The two frame at the top is gone now. Feel please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.